So hello guys, here I have designed a data scraping bot for the real estate. For that I have inserted an input dialog activity where the user will enter the name of the place and the name will be stored into a variable named as place name. And here I have used an open browser activity for the browser to open, and here I have given the URL of the Zillow.com site which I have used. And using the type into activity, I have the name of the place will be entered here, and using this option here I've done the data scraping. Now once the data scraping is complete, data table will be created named as extract data table, and this scope I have given is it as the sequence only. Now the data scraping is done in such a way that when the name of the place will be entered, the first 20 information will be saved into an Excel file. Now for that I have used a write range activity where I have to browse the Excel file created, or a new Excel file will be created, and here I have used sheet number 1 itself, and the block will be starting from A1 itself, so the range will be A1. And here I have given the extract data table which was created by the data scraping. Now using this close application activity, I have used it for closing the browser once the data is fetched. So now I'll show you the empty Excel file that I have created. So the Excel file is opening. So here you can see that the Excel file right now is empty. Now I've cancelled it, and now I will save the file and I'm going to run it. So the bot has asked me for the name of the place. I'm giving it here as New York. So here you can see that the browser has opened, and the site has opened itself. The page is loading right now. So right now the name entered will be typed here, and it is going to search. So here the all the information has arrived in the site. Now once the data fetching process is completed, it is going to shut the browser itself, and then we can see into the Excel file whether the data has been saved or not. So the browser has been closed. So now the process has completed. Now let's see the Excel file. So the file is now opening. So here you can see, the first 20 information of the um, New York has been saved into the file. So that's all.